In this case, we are going to fix this broken tooth with a procedure called post and core buildup, followed by Emax metal-free dental crown. This is Dr. Amit Sharma. I'll explain each and every step of this procedure. So let's start the video. This tooth is already root canal treated and there is no adequate strength because of its loss of tooth structure. That's the reason we are going to put a metal screw inside the tooth, and it's called post, and then building the tooth accordingly by increasing its length, shape and size. A post should be fitted appropriately and tightly inside the tooth. Once we find this kind of a suitable post, we fix it permanently with some sort of adhesive material. And if the post is not tightly placed, it's loose fitting, so definitely it will decrease the durability of the teeth and significantly affects the treatment outcome. As you can see, that post is already placed inside the crown. Now we'll be building the tooth crown accordingly. For that, we'll use some kind of special materials called composites. We put that material and the cure with the light cure gun, and within a couple of seconds it gets set on the tooth surface. And for that, we'll start with the first step. We are going to put some kind of a chemical agent called etchant on the tooth surface, which makes the tooth surface rough enough for the better adaptability of the composite material. And in next step, we'll proceed with another kind of a chemical agent called bonding agent on the tooth surface, which also increases the adaptability between the tooth and the composite material. And again, we'll use the same light cure gun to fix the bonding agent to the tooth surface. And now the tooth is gradually built up with the help of a composite material. And once the tooth buildup is completed, we prepare the tooth for the crown, commonly called as cap. The tooth is shaped up from all the directions. Then we proceed with the next step called shade selection. We select the color, shape and size of the crown according to the adjacent teeth so that it should look more natural in appearance. So finally we have got the crown. This crown is Emax metal-free dental crown, and it looks more natural in appearance than the other varieties of crown, and it's more suitable for the anterior teeth. Now we'll go for a trialing process where we observe the color, shape and size of the crown. And here you can see this crown is absolutely color matching and shape and size are absolutely fine. So if our parameter looks fine, then we proceed with the final fixation of the crown. And for the final fixation of the crown, we put some kind of a primer. It's a kind of a chemical agent. It's applied on the tooth surface as well as on the cap, and then it's cured with the light cure gun. And here comes the fixing material which is used for the fixation of the crown. Here we are using light cure resin cement, which is GC-G71, and this is one of the topmost resin cement available in market till today and accepted worldwide. Now the cap is filled with the resin cement and placed on the tooth surface. The excess material is removed and we cure it with the light cure gun. This light cure gun emits the ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays fixes the cap permanently to the tooth surface in a couple of seconds. So guys, check out the natural looking Emax metal-free dental crown. It always gives you the best possible results, especially in the anterior crowns. So guys, if you like the video, then please do subscribe, and please feel free to ask any question through WhatsApp or comments. I'll be surely replying to you people. And once again, thanks for the watch. See you soon.